Hey guys, and welcome back to plugin. In this video, we'll see how you can sell eCard in WooCommerce using our WC Ecards Pro plugin. More about this later on. For now, let's get started. First, open up your WordPress admin panel. Now just hover your mouse over to Plugins. Now click on Plugin List. Here you have to find WC Ecards Pro. Either you can scroll and find it or you can search for it. As you can see, this is the plugin. Just click on Download Now. Now just click on Activate. Now it's activated. A new option is visible as WooCommerce eCard. Just click on it. Now, as you can see, these are all the setting for customization. We'll go through each, one by one. But first, we have to add new product as a card. For that, just hover your mouse on products and click on Add New. Here you have to write your product name. I'll go with Demo a Card. But you should write as per your product. And the most important setting here is to tick this box. Because if you don't, your product won't be converted to eCard. Now you can change email subject and greeting message as per your liking. Although user can also change it in product page as per his liking. Now just set the price and upload the product image. You can also select category and add tags. And now just hit publish. Now let's see all the settings, one by one, but first, let's have a look at eCard page. Okay, so first, we have recipient full name. Your customer can add multiple names by separating them with comma. Same goes for recipient email address. Then we have email subject. Your customer can write as per his liking, and they can also use placeholders. Then we have eCard heading and eCard message, which your user can customize same as before. Now let's go through the setting one by one. So first we have highlight eCard product. To see the use of the setting, go to the product menu. Now enable it and save it. And now if we go back and hit refresh, here you can see the label highlighting this product as eCard. Next we have ask sender information. If you tick this and save the changes, and hit refresh in the eCard product page. Now it's asking for sender's name and his email. Next, we have eCard delivery date. If you enable this, your customer can set delivery date. Next, we have copy eCard to self. By enabling this, a copy of the eCard will be sent to your customer's email. Next, we have send eCard copy to admin. By enabling this, a copy of this eCard will be sent to you. Down here, you can change the email in which you want to receive the eCard. Now let's move to next setting. Here you can allow visitor to preview their eCard. You can select in which page they can see the preview. Suppose I want this to only visible on product page. Then I'll enable this one, which is for product page, and save the setting. And hit refresh on the product page. Then in the bottom, you'll see eCard preview. And if you click on that, you'll see how your eCard will look like. You can enable all three of them if you want. Each one is for different page. Next, we have allow visitor to update eCard content. If you enable this, visitor can update eCard content, even on cart page. Next, we have display hide eCard order information. You can enable these two if you want to show order information in cart page and checkout page. If you enable, then new option will pop up. You can tick any of the boxes which you want be visible in cart page. By default, recipient email and delivery date is ticked, and you'll find same options for checkout page. Next, we have eCard's Add to Cart button label. This is simply text on the Add to Cart button, which you can change as per your liking. By default, it is set as Add eCard. Next, we have eCard form label setting. Here you can customize the whole text forms as per you visitor's understanding. You can change these so your users can understand them easily. Next, we have email setting. Here, you can customize the text of the footer. You can also use placeholders. And if you want to use Mandrill API to send email, you can enable this and paste your API key. Next, we have eCard order status advanced setting. If you tick this box, your order status will automatically updated to complete if they have made the payment using PayPal. Next, we have cron job setting. You can read the whole description for better understanding, but in simple words, cron job will be used to send scheduled eCards purchased by your customers to their recipients' email addresses. And here you can set the frequency, Next, we have Advanced Setting. You can use this to hide field description on eCard form and to add custom CSS. And that's all, folks. That is all there is to know to get started with our plugin, and thanks for watching.